everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Mousse blushes. Yes, now this is the product I'm going to talk about, show you the demo as well as give you my final thoughts on, and it is basically from NY Bae. Now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's begin with the outer packaging of the blushes. These blushes which is launched by NY Bae, all together they have total 6 shades in this particular range, you can say. I have got my hands on 2 shades. Right now, before moving ahead, I forgot to tell you my lipstick details. Basically, it is a lip gloss detail. It is from Faces Canada Beyond Shine Lip Glosses with Macadamia Oil, and it is in the shade number 05 Wing Woman. If at all you want to see this particular video, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. If at all you have not watched that, definitely go ahead and watch. It is worth watching it. Right now, let's begin with today's video. Outer packaging of this particular Mousse blushes is prominent black and silver font NY Bae packaging. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It just says NY Bae Mousse blush. That is what is given on the front side. If at all you are wondering where is the shade number and name, it is given on the top. That is on the cover of over here with a sticker. It says 06 Russian Rust. I have got my hands on 2 shades as I told you earlier. One is 06 Russian Rust and other is 04 Mulberry Bird. Okay, these are the 2 shades what I am having right now with me. And on the second side it says natural and radiant finish, ultra smooth, blendable and long lasting. You can say these are the unique features or maybe the key features of this particular product is. Then on the third side they have all the other detail. They have ingredients, how to use, then how to like marketed and manufactured and every other detail. On the fourth side they say for like query and all, if at all you have, they have given their customer care number. They have given their batch number, batch code and everything. Manufacturing of this particular product is March 22. Yes, this is a recent manufactured product and it is good till use to 8/24. So almost you are going to get 2 years and 6 months in this particular Mousse blushes. This particular this blushes retails for 299 rupees each, and in each particular blush you get 10 grams of product. That is, the net content is 10 grams, and all the blushes are made in India, right? As I told you, they are in 6 shades, and other key features what they have seen on the website is blendable, highly pigmented, lightweight, natural luminous finish, satin soft fill, and that is what basic other details is given on their Purple's website. I've got my hands from Purple. Of course, this is exclusively right now available on Purple. All the buying links will be given in the buying links will be pinned in the comment section, and whatever the referral codes and all are there, it will be given in the description box. So if at all you want to use any, you can, and you can save some money. If you will use my referral code for your Elite membership, you will get 10% off. So why not to save some money, right? So if you want to. And now we'll talk about the inner packaging. The inner packaging of this particular blushes is frosted glass jars. It is very cute packaging. It feels heavy when you hold the jar in your hand. It feels heavy. It feels a little bit, not luxe, but little bit high end. That is what I can feel, because this is a glass container. On the top it says NY Bae Mousse blush. Okay, and on the bottom they have given you NY Bae Mousse blush, marketed, manufactured and all the other details, and 10 grams of product they have given you. For manufacturing and expiry, they say refer the outer carton. So if at all you want to throw away this outer carton, you have to make a tag over here with the manufacturing and expiry. So for your reference, if at all you want to have your reference, and the shade number is given over here by a sticker. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing, but it's given over here. Okay, it is 06, the name, the number as well as the net content. Net content is given over here also, 2 sides. So that is okay. Now when you open the particular jar, you get a plastic lid kind of a covering, which you can just take it out, and I'll show you both the blushes close by. First I'll show you shade number 06. This is the okay, this is 06, and now I'll show you 04 shade, just at all, and for your reference if at all This is 04. Right. Now we talk about fragrance. It has very mild fragrance, but we'll see while demo whether it is transferring on our cheeks or no. I'll swatch the shades for you. Hand swatches I'll show you. This is very moussey, like if you touch, it feels like pillow. Very moussey, yes. I 100% agree to their point. This is very moussey. Because of this texture, I believe you have to just after use, as soon as you finish using, it's better you shut the lid properly, otherwise you may, like the product may dry out quickly. I'm not sure. Now you can see over here, this is shade number 04 and these are the pigmentation. You can see on my hands also, this is 04, this is 06 and these are the hand swatches, 04 and 06. Okay, and as far as the swatches go, yes, of course, I 100% agree. This is luminous, not at all glittery or shimmery. No, not total matte also. Luminous finish, leaning towards little bit more on matte side. I think you are getting what I want to say. Now what I'll do is, I have my beauty blender over here. I'll try to apply with my fingers and then we'll see how it applies. So first I've taken 04 shade and I'll apply little bit. See, you can see it is very easy to apply. Now I'll apply 06. I'm just feeling it is little bit more. I'll just go over with the beauty blender. But I like little bit subtle blush. Now I'll just give you a close up. This is 04 and this is 06. I hope the camera is capturing the color, the shades properly, because in the camera I can easily see the difference. Yes. Now if you will ask me, I've told you, I've shown you the demo as well, the hand swatches and all. Now if you ask me my final thought, I will definitely suggest you go for one shade whenever it is there is a sale or something. Go for one shade. It is very, like when you touch the blush, it is very squishy. You feel like very soft and cushiony. And as far as my knowledge is that I don't have any mousse blush in my collection. So when this was launched, I was very much intrigued and I wanted to go ahead and purchase it. So I went ahead and I purchased 2 shades. As I told you, there are total 6 shades. So accordingly you can select. There are lighter shades also available, darker shades also available. But as far as my knowledge is there, I can see Mulberry Red was the darkest one. That is this shade was the darkest. I'm not sure because I don't have the other shades, but you can definitely go ahead and you can check the website. But as I told you, the buying links will be given in the comment section. So go ahead and you can check it. Try to cover each and every point, but still if you have any other query, any other question, let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can follow me over there. You can ask me over there as well, and any other video request or video suggestions you can let me know over here or maybe on Instagram. I don't have any problem and I'll try to resolve your request or maybe your query as soon as possible. Yeah, if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, and don't go please without liking the video. Your one like encourages me to make more such kind of 100 videos. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.